Okay, let's continue.
This one is really good. The fragrance is actually a pure essential oil. This one is good too. At home, a great option to use as branch basics. I also use.
All right, so if you have irritation to fragrances, get a free and clear detergent, and you can add essential oils yourself without having to buy the plant-based detergent, which are more expensive in the stores than the regular detergents, and there are less sales on them typically anyhow. So if you have an issue with fragrance, that's an alternate option where you can just buy some essential oils and drop it in the softener spot just so you can get that extra bit of fragrance. But to avoid SLS completely, no, don't do that. You'll be fine. It's not a big deal. Just don't use so much detergent. I know everyone wants to see bubbles in their wash because they think it's going to make it clean better, but really it doesn't do that.